Hi, Christine Brown here, walking you through the widget tool in zapworks. As you know, zapworks is an augmented reality platform that's really easy to use and pretty cool. So widgets are the quickest and easiest way to create a Zapper project. You can add video, audio, a calendar invite, and more. The overall process is super easy. First, you create the Zap code, then layer on your multimedia in the platform, and then publish. You're done. Impress your friends. All right, we're going to start with creating a new Zap code right up here. Click that. And you see that you get the choices here. You can either zap a circle or make your zap code a lozenge. I'm partial to the circle, so I'm going to keep that. And then I'm going to enter my zap code name. We recommend being as organized as possible. You should use your course number, so EME 6207. And then your project name, I'm going to call this widgets. And then your initials or your last name. Okay, hit continue. And then again, this is a tutorial on using widgets, so we're going to select widgets. And then create zap code. It's as easy as that. So you want to go into the zap code that you just made and click to edit. And then before you put any content in, you're going to download your zap code. So this is the code that your viewers will zap to interact with your content. You can print it on a sticker by itself or combine it with a document like a flyer or a brochure that you would print out, and then people would zap it and get the digital assets that you've layered on top of it. So I'm going to go ahead and download this PNG. Awesome. There it is. Okay, so now I'm going to go back into my widget up here using the breadcrumbs. And then I'm going to edit my Zap content. The first thing I'm going to do is select a center image here by clicking. And then I'm going to find my image. I'm actually going to use one of these, or you can upload an image and then find it there. It's uploading. Very good. You can see that it's working here. Great. There's my USF logo there. And then I'm going to layer in my multimedia assets on top of my Zap code. So I'm just going to click video. And I am going to link to a YouTube video here. Okay, and then we just enter the URL. There you go, pops up there. Use this video. And it's literally as easy as that. Like, you're done. So let's publish this baby and test it out on the downloaded Zap code. So if you want to preview, you can preview it here. And then you would just get your smartphone out, open your Zapper app, scan this, and see how it works. But I'm pretty confident, so I'm going to publish it. Okay, awesome. It's published. And then now, as you can see, you can go to your Zap code, grab your smartphone, scan it, and see what happens. Awesome, right? Okay, so we're not going to stop there. We are going to layer this on top of a photo. So as I said before, you could just print this out and you could put it on a sticker or a piece of paper and just pass it out and people could scan it independently. But I usually like to put it on some kind of image. So find our downloaded Zap code, this image here. I'll close this out. That's in my downloads folder. And I'm going to copy this over to another folder that has my digital assets in there. And then I'm going to open the zap code as well as the image I'd like to place it on in Photoshop. So you can use Photoshop or any kind of image editor. Heck, you can even use PowerPoint if you want to, but I'm most familiar with Photoshop, so we'll do that. So I'm literally just going to copy this zap code and paste it on this image and then resize it. And then place it wherever makes sense. You know, I don't want it on top of the bull's face. Let's go here. Okay. And that's it. So I'm going to go ahead and export this. I'm going to export it as a JPEG. Good. Let's open it up. Here. Let's zap it now and see what happens. Awesome, right? Okay, that's literally it. You can go back into the platform and explore some more. You can change the color. You can have a background sound in there. Oh, wait, you ask me, what happened to this center image? Well, with Zapworks, the center image only appears if you have 2 or more widgets on top of it. So let's do that. Let's see what it looks like. Let's go ahead and put in a web link. Okay, Zapifying it. And then let's also add a calendar event. I'm just going to double click on that calendar event, put the calendar name. There we go. Can add more information in there. I'm going to create the event. Okay, now we've got 3 widgets on our same image. Let's go ahead and publish that. Good, it's published. Now, if you just go back to that exact image, you don't have to do anything else. Scan that exact image and now see what happens. It's literally that easy. So stay tuned and we are going to delve into the next tool, which is Designer.